Cryptocurrency mining is flourishing as a side hustle and possibly a significant source of income in these current times, especially with the pandemic. According to a study by Buchholz in 2021, the Philippines came in third place in their analysis of countries that use cryptocurrency. It indicates that many Filipinos have already started mining cryptocurrency, and it appears that this trend will continue. In mining cryptocurrency, multiple GPUs are needed to put together in a computer called the mining rig. However, mining rigs must operate continuously 24 hours a day to maximize profitability. One of the most common challenges that a residential mining rig owner faces is the constant overheating of their GPU, which causes thermal throttle at 80 degrees Celsius when the GPU slows down to avoid overheating. As a result, its performance will downplay, or worse, the GPU will be destroyed. When it happens, the mining will take longer and yield lower profits. In line with this problem, the mechanical engineering students from the Technological Institute of the Philippines, Manila, decided to develop a GPU mining rig, polycarbonate enclosure air cooling system to minimize or regulate the GPU's temperature. The enclosure material is made from polycarbonate. Polycarbonate, or PC, is a thermoplastic material that gives manufacturers and designers more design freedom while improving aesthetic and saving money. Even under stressful conditions, for over a long period, PC is noted for sustaining its durability and strength. It is also considered an engineering plastic for its versatility and widespread use due to its eco-friendly production and renewability. The working principle of this project study is that the 15-watt AMGRA portable air conditioner will be the source of cool air in the system unit. The cool air will pass through the ventilation tube hose connected to the GPU mining rig polycarbonate enclosure. It is right beside the fans of the GPU to reduce the temperature of the rig. The wall 6 holes have a dehumidifier filter. Dehumidifiers are incorporated in the proposed design to absorb and remove the moisture content while keeping the air clean throughout the system and keeping the valuables safe from dirt that may damage the system. Then the GPU mining rig's hot air will be withdrawn through the exhaust fan on top of the enclosure. It will guarantee that the air inside the system is regulated and stable. It can also be seen through the thermostat. It monitors the overall temperature before and after the cool air is supplied to the entire system. This project study aims to design an air cooling system that can significantly cool down the GPU mining rig's temperature from its average operating temperature, which is 60 to 70 degrees Celsius, to its desired optimal temperature, while also prevents the GPU from overheating, which is 70 degrees Celsius above, thereby ensuring its functionality is in good condition. This project also aims to maintain an overall temperature of 50 to 60 degrees Celsius while preserving the component's lifespan and longevity. For the modeling of our project study, we include the fluid dynamic analysis of the design and the other existing conditions presented using SolidWorks 2020 flow simulation. We simulate those current methods to compare and prove that our proposed design is the best way to lower the temperature of the GPU mining rig. The existing conditions are the GPU mining rig with case fans away from the wall and the GPU mining rig with case fans away from the wall in an air-conditioned room. Each GPU is set with a heat generation charge of 750 watts. As we can see, inside a good ventilated room with case fans, the average temperature of GPUs is 62.77 degrees Celsius. For this condition, the mining rig is in a well-ventilated room and placed away from the wall. In the simulation, the GPU mining rig had installed case fans that help to cool the GPUs. The case fan speed is set to 1,500 RPM. The flow trajectory shows the temperature of the air circulating in the room. The GPU mining rig is an air-conditioned room in the second condition. As we notice, the flow trajectory shows the cool air coming from the aircon and it cools the room as it reaches the temperature of 20 to 24 degrees Celsius. Because the turbulent airflow in the room is weak, the GPU fans and case fans may freely take in the cool air. The average temperature of the GPUs is only 57.89 degrees Celsius. Meanwhile, in the proposed design, the average temperature of GPUs is only 48 degrees Celsius. This is 10 degrees Celsius cooler than that of a good ventilated room with aircon and case fans and almost 50 degrees Celsius cooler than without the aircon. The proponents concluded the design of air cooling system, polycarbonate enclosure of the GPU mining rig would substantially help prevent the overheating of GPUs and benefit home-based miners in maintaining an overall temperature of 50 to 60 degrees Celsius while preserving the whole component's lifespan and longevity. We, the proponents, believe that with this design, we could help the booming mining cryptocurrency industry in the Philippines be more efficient and maximize profitability by ensuring that the GPUs are safe from overheating and in constant good condition.